Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash some subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So basically, how many views do you need on Rumble to get paid? So I'm gonna explain to you in detail so you understand how many views you actually need in order to get paid on Rumble platform. As you all know, Rumble have different categories where of course you cannot not actually say how much you will be able to make per 1000 views. So you cannot say exactly this is the amount of money you're gonna be able to make for getting 1000 views on a certain video. So this is how it works. If you understand what CPM and RPM means, that means it's a cost per mile, and what exactly Rumble will pay you for 1000 views on your video. So it doesn't actually matter if you get a high views on your video or lower views. What actually must matter is that you have to make sure you are uploading videos in order to get tons of views so that you'll be able to make good amount of money from your Rumble account. And if you check on different categories, you see different videos are getting different views, and you cannot compare how much this particular video will make with how much this one will make as well. So they all have their own different rates of how much they'll be able to make based on 1000 views or the overall views. So you can see this particular video is a live video, and you can see how many people are watching it, which is 17,100. And this is another one which is also not live video, but over 17,000 people have also watched this video as well in the last 18 hours, which this video was uploaded. And this is another one, and this is another one, this is another one as well. So all these video get different views based on how they are. And if you also check on another category, which is the gaming category, you also see another video which is live, 16,000 views. So what I'm trying to let you know is you have to just make sure you are getting lots of views on your video in order to make good amount of money. And the least I found that Rumble is able to pay out on a video is $50 and nothing less. There's one of the Rumble account that I actually run early this year, which of course they are able to send I think $40 thereabout after removing tax from the earnings. So what just trying to let you know is just make sure you are getting a lot of views on your video. So this way you'll be able to get good payment from Rumble platform as fast as possible. So try as much as possible to make sure your video are going viral on Rumble platform, and make sure you are able to list your video on the home page of Rumble. So if your video is part of the suggestion video on the Rumble homepage, then that means you'll be able to get a lot of views on your video. And make sure you also have an amazing thumbnail, because that really matter when you are trying to make money on Rumble platform. So you can see all this type of video, and if you also scroll down, you also see another video. So you have to make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching to make people be able to click on it, and then you'll be able to make good amount of money on Rumble platform. So not just like you just uploading any our video and you think you'll be able to make good amount of money, because if you are not getting a lot of views, there's no way you'll be able to get or get paid with a good amount of money. So make sure you upload a valuable video that you believe that people are going to watch. And also, if you have an page where you can share your video link there so that people can watch, you should definitely do that so that you'll be able to make more money on Rumble platform. But then if you also have another question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request. Thank you.